Dr. David Eagleman, world-renowned neuroscientist, author, and a professor, explores the mysteries of perception, time, and consciousness. Founder of a Neosensory and a best-selling author of Incognito and Live Wired, he blends science with the storytelling, showing how the brain rewires and adapts in remarkable ways.
Hey, this is Dr. David Eagleman, as a neuroscientist and a scholar in neuroscience, as Ramana Medbix webcast. I want to ask you, consciousness is talking about, is it unique to humans, or is it every other organs, every cells have it? Only biology has it, or do you think atomic level also they have the consciousness?
Here's my guess, is that among animals, consciousness is on a spectrum. So some animals are more conscious than others. I mean, I think my dog is conscious. Probably doesn't have the same resolution that I have. And is a housefly conscious? Maybe a little bit, but not with high resolution. I suspect that it's probably not limited to biology, but if you figured out the algorithms or what it is that makes it conscious, you can probably tap into it with other non-biological material.
If it is not limited to biology, then computers have consciousness, do you agree?
No. I don't think that we are currently building computers that have consciousness, but I do think it is possible that once we figure out the right algorithms and the structure that's required, that we could build computers that are conscious.
Stephen Wolfram may not agree with you, but that's okay.
Totally fine with me.
Yeah, that's right. So let us talk about the loss of human brain come with a loss of physics already pre-wired, you think? Pre-wired, our brain comes with a pre-wired loss of physics.
I'm so sorry, say again?
So some people believe our brain is already pre-wired for loss of physics. The physics already embedded in our
physics.
Physics, lots of physics.
Understanding of physics.
Lots of physics, yeah. It's already embedded in the brain, the structure itself.
Sorry, do you mean an understanding of physics, like F equals ma or E equals mc squared?
No, just catching a ball, for example.
Yeah.
That itself is all embedded laws, embedded physics. Some of the physics is embedded already in the.
I doubt it. It's something that we pick up on very early, such that by the time you're 2 years old, then it is embedded pretty deeply. But I don't think we're born with that. I think if you have children born on Mars 100 years from now, they will have a different sense of physics and when to put their hand up to catch the ball.
Let us talk about the final question on intuition. Is that humans have something special about intuition, or is something is an emergent property? Is it emergence? Or what is intuition? What do you think of intuition?
Intuition is just information processing, but it's sort of with a wider lens. So when you're playing a game of chess, you're doing very specific cognitive moves. When you have an intuition about something, that usually results from many years of doing something, and you've developed intuitions that are deep down. I didn't mean to point at my gut. We usually do that. I was talking about intuition. It's all in the brain, but you have deep wiring that's taking in the big picture.
But still, emergence is a problem, right? Emergence is a problem. It comes out of all the processes. We don't know emergence, how it arrived with that kind of a computational method. Intuition arrives, you say, we don't know the computational process behind the intuition, right? So emergence is a phenomenon, we don't understand it, right, still?
I mean, I would say emergence is a separate issue, which is, emergence just refers to you have lots of small pieces and parts, and you get properties at higher levels that aren't a property of the pieces and parts.
Is that mystery?
Is that a mystery? Depends how you define it. I mean, we know that emergence exists. If I take any piece of metal, it can't fly, but if I hook it up in the shape of an airplane, then that flies. So flight is an emergent property of hooking all these things up correctly. So I don't think it's a mystery. We know that emergent properties happen.
Thank you so much.
Great,
Thank
thanks.
you so much.